Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can seriously impact your financial health. What you should absolutely avoid putting on your credit card. Let's face it, credit cards can be super convenient, but they can also be a slippery slope into debt if you're not careful. So, let's talk about 3 things you should think twice about before swiping that plastic. First up, fast food. I know. It's late, you're tired, and ordering that pizza or swinging through the drive-thru is just so easy. But here's the deal. Charging a $10 meal might not seem like a big deal. But when you add interest, that small purchase can become much more expensive. Imagine paying interest on a burger you ate weeks ago. It just doesn't make financial sense. Fast food is a consumable, meaning it's gone in minutes. Paying for it for months, on the other hand, is a recipe for financial indigestion. Try to use cash or your debit card for these small, everyday purchases. It keeps you grounded in what you're actually spending. The second thing to keep off your credit card is trendy clothing. We all love a good wardrobe update, and that new jacket or pair of sneakers can be really tempting. But fashion trends come and go faster than you can say retail therapy. If you're charging fast fashion, you could still be paying off those items long after they've gone out of style or ended up in the back of your closet. It's one thing to invest in a timeless, high-quality piece that will last for years. But racking up debt for clothes you LL only wear for a season is a quick way to overspend. Before you swipe, ask yourself, will I still love this and be happy I am paying for it in 6 months? If the answer is no, it's probably best to walk away. And number 3 on our list is subscriptions. I'm talking about streaming services, monthly boxes, gym memberships you barely use. You name it. The set it and forget it nature of subscriptions is exactly what makes them so dangerous on a credit card. These small, recurring charges are easy to lose track of. Before you know it, you could be paying for multiple services you don't even use anymore, all while racking up interest. It's like having tiny, little leaks in your financial boat. Do a regular audit of your subscriptions. See what you're actually using and what you can cancel. And try to pay for the ones you keep directly from your bank account so you're always aware of where your money is going. So, to recap, steer clear of charging fast food, trendy clothes, and forgotten subscriptions. Making this small change can have a huge positive impact on your finances and help you avoid unnecessary debt. It's all about being mindful with your spending. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Sikash for more tips on managing your money. We'll see you in the next video.